Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add an email opt-out in Pipedrive. All right. First up, log into your Pipedrive account. And once you're in here, tap on your profile, which is right here at the top right. Click on it. Now go ahead over to personal preferences. Click on it. Now, once this page loads, you're going to want to go to the left panel and click on email sync. Click on it. Now in here under signatures, you can go ahead and select a signature that you have created, or you can go ahead and click on add a signature. All right, for example, I'm going to click on add signature. And here the signature name would be opt out. All right. And in here, thank you, you can opt out using this link. Now go ahead and click on the three dots and add in hyperlink. The text would be this one. All right. I'm just going to highlight it, click on the three dots and click on hyperlink. Now it is selected. Now in the link, in here is the tricky part. You'll need to create a URL or link where users will be able to click on. And in that particular link, it includes the opt-out button. All right. That's basically how you do it. After that, you can go ahead and easily go to your deals. All right. And click on a person, for example, Mr. Benjamin Leon right here. And go ahead and hit on email. And here, just go ahead and select the signature. All right. And you should be able to see that signature from here and send it right away. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.